There are various ways that you can use PowerPoint to automatically align objects. This is a really quick way of doing things, and you also have the advantage that your results are going to be absolutely perfect. So what you need is the Arrange panel, and there are two places you can find it. If you are under the Home tab, you see here under this Drawing panel you get this little Arrange button. If you click this menu, you get all of these options in this menu, and we're going to go through all of these. You can, however, also just click on the Format tab, and here you get an actual Arrange panel. So that's got all of the same things that you find in this menu, but it's a lot easier to use if you're going to be doing a lot of aligning at once, because you don't have to keep going back to the menu and using the drop down. So I first just want to go over how to align objects. First of all, what you need to do is just have more than one object selected. So I'm going to click this object, control click this object. Then Align has various options. Note at the beginning I have Align to Slide turned off. So what PowerPoint is now going to do is it's going to align these two objects in relation to each other. If I say Align Left, it will align both objects according to the leftmost edge of the leftmost object. So Align Left, we see that they line up over here because this was the leftmost object. I'm going to undo that. I could align to the right. And there you see, because this was the rightmost object, the right-hand edges of these two are aligned over there. I'm going to hit undo again. You can align the centers. In this case, it's going to find the center point between this left edge and this right edge and align the centers of these two objects along it. So align center, you see they move across into the middle. I'm going to undo again. You can do the same thing in a horizontal way. So align top, then align with the topmost edge of the two. Align bottom, works conversely, and of course align middle, the middle point. You can of course be doing this with multiple objects, so if I also control click this and said align bottom, they will all align with this object here at the bottom, like that. So that's very, very simple. Now I'm going to just work with Align to Slide. If you turn this on, then instead of using, for example, the leftmost edge of the leftmost object to align left, it's automatically going to align these objects to the slide. So if I check that, and I now go align, I see that Align to Slide is on. If I now go align left, they're just going to align with the leftmost edge of the slide, and of course right, align center, they are in the dead center of the slide. We could then go align middle. So in this case, of course, they are both aligned center and middle, so they are right on top of each other. And you have all the same controls, but just bear in mind that the reference is going to be the slide itself.